Okay, we have some new features on the board today. We've got two new potentiometers. One controls the modulation amount that is sent to an amplifier that comes in between the primary oscillator and the symmetry knob and the wavefolder. And the other one controls the amount of modulation that is actually sent to the wavefolder itself. We also have hard sync in place now between the primary oscillator and the modulator. That's controlled by a switch. Let me bring this up and bring up some volume. Currently listening to the modulator only. I'm going to go ahead and pop that over. This is a triangle wave. We can pop that over to a sine wave, which always sounds good for modulation purposes. I'm going to go ahead and switch this over to the primary oscillator now. Right now, we are hard synced from the primary oscillator to the modulator. So as I change the pitch on the modulator, we can hear the pitch of the primary oscillator is changing to stay in sync with that. We're also listening to the square wave, so we can wave shape that for some pulse width modulation on that square wave. I'm going to go ahead and disable our sync. So now we can hear the primary oscillator is playing a different sequence because it's no longer being synced to that primary oscillator. And I'm going to go ahead and put this from the square wave to the triangle. It's a little smoother. I'm going to change that to a ramp with our wave shape. And it always sounds better when we fold it. So let's talk about modulation. So if we want to modulate our amplifier that comes between the primary oscillator and the wavefolder stuff, it sounds like this. And then if we do the same for our timbre, our wavefolder here, good stuff.